Hello, how are you? Hope you're all well. Today we are going to make fish curry with rice. Uh, it is very delicious and hope you like it. To know how to make it, please stay with us. We'll let you know step by step. And if you did not subscribe the channel, please do subscribe, share, like, and press the bell icon button so you get notification for another videos. Thank you very much. So ingredients are take two medium-sized onions, maybe half garlic, little bit ginger, 2-3 green chilies, tomatoes, 2-3, and you need tamarind. We bought it from market. If you don't have it, please use one lemon, should be enough. We have taken here 500 grams frozen wild salmon. You can buy it from any store and make sure it's frozen and cut it in small pieces. So take that much tamarind and soak it for 10 minutes in hot water until it goes soft. Chop that fish into the pieces, small pieces, so we can deep fry. So this is ginger and garlic paste. We mix it in the mixie, and if you can buy it from market, that be easy as well. This is onion paste, so we have taken 2 onions, and this is tomato and green chilies paste. So green chilies, if you don't want to use, that's up to you. So this is tamarind puree. We have taken out tamarind seeds from it. So you need gram flour, 1 spoon. Turmeric, red chili powder, sprinkle of salt, just a little bit for marinating, coriander powder, cumin powder. Use small bit ginger and garlic paste. Once you mix it, cover with the cling film for about 10 minutes. So our fish is ready. You can eat if you want with the sauce. We are going to put it in fish curry with the rice.